What's up everybody, Justin Fio back with another video. Today we're actually going to be doing something fun. We're going to be attempting to do the Starlight headliner in Black Beauty. Something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and we're actually going to be trying it out. So first things first, as you guys will see throughout the video, we're going to be changing all of the tan interior. Plan on taking the fabric off of the headliner, doing black suede, and also painting like the A-pillars and certain plastics to make everything black on the inside. And you know, for any of you guys that are pricing this out, it gets very pricey if you were going to go get this done at a shop. So I figured my buddy Sebastian, I saw he made a video on it and he did a fantastic job on his. So him and his pops are actually going to be helping me out and we're going to be working on this together. So figured pick up the Starlight kit, do the black suede, do all that stuff, and you know, kind of do it DIY style and hopefully save some money, because when you're getting it done at a shop, you're paying for the labor, because this could take 20, 30 hours. We're just going to be attempting it, see how it goes. I hope by the end of the video, you guys will have a little bit more of an idea of how to do it, or maybe wanting to do it. I'll leave everything that I got down in the description below. If you guys do have any questions, let me know in the comments. And without wasting any more time, please don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the bell on for notifications, and let's get to the video. So we're over here with my buddy Sebastian. We're actually going to be, you know, doing the stars today, and he's going to be helping me out. So just wanted to show a couple of his cars over here as well. I know a lot of you guys are truck guys, but he also has a channel. So if you guys are interested in some stuff,
I'll leave a link down below or up in the corner here.
Yep, check out his channel for sure, because you got some plans with this as well, right? You throwing a turbo on here?
Yeah, I'm throwing a turbo kit on it. We're looking to make about maybe 450 to 500 horsepower on the stock motor.
Oh, wow.
So if you guys are into cars, I know a bunch of you guys are diesel guys, but if you're into cars, go ahead and check my channel out. Got a lot of stuff coming up for this car.
For sure, definitely check it out. He also did a video on doing his Starlight kit as well.
All right, so down here, Justin is going to pretty much have the same setup as mine, where we have the Starlight being powered up by the amp, and then we're also going to run a switch so that we can control that power. So all you do here is just flip up the switch. We got a remote here. Flip everything on.
Which looks badass in here for sure.
Oh yeah. And this is hooked up to all-time power, so you don't need it to turn on the ignition in order to turn on the lights.
But big shout out to Sebastian and his pops. They're going to be the ones helping me out, get all my stars done, which we'll be showing you guys here coming up. But like I said, if you get a chance, check out his channel. And without wasting any more time, let's get right into the process. So we just actually got the headliner out of Black Beauty there. So just wanted to show you guys a little bit beforehand, if any of you guys haven't seen the headliner beforehand. This is the original color. We're going to now be taking off the fabric and removing that, and it's actually going to be getting reupholstered into a black suede. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit beforehand. I'm going to continue working over here, taking this fabric off, and then we'll get right back to the video. And for any of you guys that are curious, at least for my headliner, this material is just peeling right off nice and smoothly. So little update, just got all that fabric off. And just to show you what we're working with a little bit inside, yes, it's a little mess right now, but to see with the headliner out. So for me, we took down the A-pillars, we took down that middle overhead little console that was there, unplugged that. For anyone that's curious, the A-pillars were I think 10 mil sockets. We also removed that middle light that was up here, the rear hooks that were there and there, and also for the visor there was 2 hooks. Those actually, I was looking to see if there was any screws or anything in that, but nope, just popped it down, extended it, and pulled it right out. It's a little clip. And then after that, you know, the biggest little hassle was prying it out the door, considering it's a 4-door. So not that hard, just a little bit tedious and time consuming, that's for sure. So we got the headliner in here. We brought it inside so we're not sweating our asses off. We're just trying to map out, you know, out of the 430 piece that I have, what exactly we're gonna do. So we kind of put it into boxes, as Sebastian said he did his, to, you know, be a little more organized. Since it's smaller here compared to the size difference in the back, we're planning to do, I think, 85, 85, and then what, 130 and 130?
130.
Because we want to try to, you know, keep the pattern similar, but not have anything too condensed, and I think that's going to be how it will look best. That's what you think too, right, Sebastian?
Yeah, we just want to make everything look uniform throughout pattern-wise, because you don't want everything, since this is a smaller square, you don't want everything condensed together and then have your rear more spaced out.
Yeah,
so,
because, you know, the rear is taken to like probably 2/3, you know, so.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than the front, the way we have our square.
I think this will be the perfect, you know, game plan that we're going to get into doing putting the holes through and everything like that. And for, I don't know if you guys saw it, I'm going to pick this up real quick. We got the suede all done. This is how she turned out. I think it looks a lot better for sure than the tan that was on the truck. So we're going to start getting to work. And I'm just trying to bring you guys step by step for anyone that's trying to do this at home, because as I said, you know, this is my first time doing it. Sebastian has done it already, but we're going to be taking it step by step and see how all this goes. So let's get right to it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really.
So we got the basic pattern put out here. And I guess we're gonna get ready to start poking, right, boys?
Yes, sir. Trying so hard not to stab my finger.
Nobody see my face. I've been chasing at the paper. Been out it for the ways. With everything again. Ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules. I've been making moves.
400 isn't a lot, they say. So we're moving on now, trying to bring you guys step by step. Like I said, we're poking the fiber optics through the hole now. And for anyone that's, you know, planning to do this, this is definitely taking some time.
Oh yeah.
But here's all the stuff here. Like I said, we're gonna keep moving here, trying to get this going. We've been working on this for a few hours now, so trying to just keep moving. We're gonna be painting some of the other things from the interior stuff outside, which I'll be showing you as well. And once we get a little bit more ahead of the game here, we'll bring you guys back and give you that other update. All we used, for the people that are wondering like what exactly do you need to use, we picked up a glue gun, a couple extra glue sticks, we got a Sharpie, a couple things like that just to mark down on the headliner, and then you just, you know, a little tool to poke the holes as you saw us doing. And besides that, I mean, that's really all you need to keep moving. We're right in the progress here, as you see.
Moving along.
Moving along. Just to show you a little whole rat's nest going on. But things you need, you know, that's basically the main things that we need. Nothing crazy. Starlight kit, glue sticks, the Sharpie, things to poke the holes with, and you should be ready to keep moving forward here. A little farther progress we got going here. Glue time, baby.
With everything to prove, now it's going how I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the air again. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been out here all on my own, holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere.
Gonna start trimming now. While it's still light out, I just wanted to show you guys, we put the box under my seat. We put some plastic you know, loom around the fiber optics. The box is actually getting power from my JL 360 by 4 4-channel amp. This is, we had a little bit of extra here. And then we ran everything right up the pillar to where it's flush and you cannot even see the fiber optics. So that's pretty badass. Seat back down. And to show you guys up front, we got the on-off switch right there underneath the train horn stuff. And then you have the adjustability to be, you know, doing red, green, blue, white, all the options on the remote as well. And when you're just sitting in here, I know it's a little bit hard to see right now, but you cannot tell that there's any stars in here. We haven't gotten to paint the other pillars yet and the other plastics, but we did the A pillar, got this middle, you know, dome light console painted as well. And this is just with, you know, black plastic paint, and it turned out pretty good. And this is not done yet. I'm gonna need the lenses and new bulbs for up there as well, but just wanted to show you a little bit while it was still light out in here. And I will be keeping you guys updated once we get everything else painted as well. You know, just a work in progress, but let's get to see how this looks at night. For watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just to sit back and enjoy these stars after all the time we put into this. I'm really happy how it turned out. It looks badass. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope if any of you guys were thinking about doing it, you kind of got an idea now of what we did. Not saying that's the only way or exact way you got to do it. That's just how we did it. So if you got any questions, make sure to just leave it in the comments. I'll have everything I ordered in the description as well. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, turn the bell for notifications. Hope you enjoyed this video. Something a little bit different for you guys. Much more to come, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.